With our partner, we can share a bank account together. We can sleep in the same bed every night. We can share dinner every night. But when it comes to talking about sex, no way, that can feel like a whole different ballgame, something we often avoid. In this video, I'm going to give a very quick tip that you can start using straight away, literally today, to start improving the communication with your partner around this area of sex and intimacy. So I'd love to hear in the comments below or the like button if this is helpful for you, because then I know to do more of them. Let's look at what often happens. In a relationship, sex can feel highly vulnerable, highly uncomfortable, very difficult to talk about. First of all, we worry, what if the other person thinks that I'm making it about just me and what I need? Or we can think, what if I offend them? We can even sometimes, perhaps we've tried to talk about it in the past, but we've said something like, I just want us to be having more sex, or we don't have sex the way that we used to, or you're not doing it quite in the right way, or we just avoid talking about it. So you see, there's different types of ways of approach. Often what happens is we either feel uncomfortable, or we make the other person feel uncomfortable or offended, or we just avoid it, and it's the elephant in the room. So what is this tip that we can start implementing straight away to improve and increase the communication about sex without offending, without avoiding? It is very simple, and it is something called affirming. What we are doing here is telling the partner when they do something that we enjoy, we are affirming or confirming to them, I like it when you do this, or I love it when you do this. So let's get into a couple of examples. This is more powerful than it sounds. Often the basic stuff is the most powerful. I want you to just try this out. At the very least, if you do nothing else with this, just try it out over the next week and see what happens. So I want you to think now of a time where your partner did something you really like. It feels good in the moment of sex or intimacy. So it may be that they hold you in a particular way, or maybe they kiss you in a particular place, or they do a particular thing to you in a certain way that just feels amazing. I'd like you to think of one thing now, and then imagine saying this to your partner. So we're going to use the example of them kissing. Imagine your partner kissing you on your neck, and it feels really good. I love it when you kiss me on my neck. I love it when you hold onto my back this way. Or I really like it when you put your hands on my back like that. It's as simple as this. As simple as this. Often we overcomplicate things, and we can think I have to be able to know how to talk about sex in a particular way, or there's all these other guys who have got it figured out and know how to have the conversations. It's as simple as this. So this is what I want you to try out over the next week, affirming. And what does that do for our partner? Well, number one, it makes them feel confident about what they're doing. Imagine if your partner said to you, I really like it when you do this to me. It feels amazing. That gives us a green flag of like a win. Yes. And secondly, are we more likely or less likely to do it again? We're more likely to do it again, right? If our partner tells us something that I really like this, I really like it when you do it this way, we're more likely to do it again. It's exactly the same the other way around. When we're telling our partner, I love it when you do it this way, or I really like it when you do this, they are more likely to do it again because they know that it feels good. So that's it. I want you to take this tip to think of one thing, or to notice one thing in the moment. In the moment of intimacy. This does not have to be full sex. This could be massaging, it could be kissing, it could be holding hands. And to communicate that, to affirm that to your partner by saying, I love it when you do this, or I like it when you do this, and say what the specific thing is that they're doing. I like it when you hold my hand this way. I like it when you look into my eyes like that. I like it when you kiss me on my neck. I like it when you hold me with your hands on my back. Be specific. Okay, if this has been helpful for you, then below you'll see a button that says subscribe. Click on that button so that you can get the latest brand new videos, tips, and tools as I share them.